Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will explain about Samsung One UI 8 or One UI 8.5's latest powerful fingerprint features. So, this is my Samsung S25 Ultra. We use the amazing fingerprint features like we use my first thumb to unlock a device. Now use the second thumb and you can see you can quickly take a screenshot using the fingerprint scanner on your device. You can also use another finger to quickly access your Google Chrome or any other favorite application like this using the fingerprint sensor. So in this video, I will show you how to use the fingerprint features to quickly access your favorite function or favorite application on a Samsung One UI 8 8.5 device. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings apps. Now here you can find modes and routines option on your Samsung device. Tap on it. Here at the bottom you can find the routine. Tap on it at the middle. Here we already created two fingerprints. So first we remove it and let explain how to create this fingerprint on your device. Select both. Tap on the delete all. Now let's see how to create a amazing powerful fingerprint features on your device. So first of all go to modes and routines on your Samsung device. Tap on the routines at the bottom. Now tap on the plus icon in the modes and routine. Now tap on the first option and what will trigger this routine. Now search for the fingerprint option on your Samsung phone. So unlock with fingerprint, tap on it on your device. Now here you can see fingerprint 1, 2, 3, 4 for different fingerprint. By default you can see the only two fingerprints. So at the end I will show how to add multiple fingerprint. So first fingerprint we use the unlock my device. So let's select the second fingerprint on my phone. Tap on a done option. Now tap on a second option at what this routine will do in a fingerprint 2. So tap on it. Now here we select the application. So search for the apps. Now open app or do an app action. So like open the your favorite application you regularly use. So we open the Google Chrome on my device. After select the application, tap on a done at the top right. Now here you can see add. Now tap on the save button at the bottom. Now change here you can change the logo, enter the routine name on your device. Tap on the icon option. Now here we use the Google Chrome. So select the Wi-Fi. We select the Wi-Fi logo. Now tap on the done on your device. Now first routine is set. Now again add the multiple routines. Tap on the plus icon again. Tap on the first option. Select the fingerprint option. Unlock with fingerprint. Now we select the third number fingerprint. Tap on the done option. Now tap on the action you want like here we select the function option. So we select functions. You can see the list of different functions like quickly go to website, navigation button action, answer using speaker, take screenshot. So we select the take a screenshot option in the second. Now tap on the save button. Again select the icon, tap on the done option. Now again we create the last third fingerprint. So enter the fingerprint, unlock with fingerprint, select the fingerprint for, tap on a done. Now tap the second option. Now here you can select any option you want like you want to quickly access your gallery or now brief. Now we select the now brief. So tap on the open now brief. Now tap on the save button. Now select the icon you want to set. So we select for now brief this type of icon. Tap on the done. Now you can see create the three fingerprint feature animation effect. Let's see. Just lock your Samsung phone. In the first fingerprint, we unlock my device. So you can't see any function or application. Now use the second, third, free. Now you can quickly access the Google Chrome application we select. Now use the another fingerprint and you can see take the screenshot on your device. Also now last one, you can unlock your device and you can see the now brief on your device. So this is one of the most amazing powerful fingerprint feature for a Samsung One UI 8 8.5. Now let's see how to add multiple fingerprint. So go to settings on your device. Now go back Now scroll down and tap on the lock screen and AOD. Here you can see the screen lock option. Tap on it on your device. Now unlock your device. Here you can find the fingerprint option at the bottom. Just tap on it. Now here you can see the list of different fingerprint. Also you can check it. So check added fingerprint. So just tap on it. Now when we use my thumb, you can see fingerprint 1 option. Now use this finger, fingerprint 2 option. Now use this and it will show fingerprint 4. Now fingerprint 3. So you can also check the which fingerprint is this. So this is one of the most powerful fingerprint features you can use on your Samsung One UI 8 8.5. That's it. Like it, share it. Also hype it. Thank you for watching this.